Well, morning guys. This is going to be a little nice, interesting video about me kind of fixing this rusting issue. It's something that I managed to procure. It's going to be an interesting bit, so just stay tuned to see how I go about fixing this. And saving myself of potential damage to this threaded bolt from the engine. So that's how it is for now. Uh, Let me just show to you what I have with me. So if you guys can see, these are cap nuts. I got them off a small retailer here. I kind of spoke to him about what I would be needing, and he came up with this. It's like the perfect solution for something uh, like that, rusting and things going out of control. So nothing like having a small cap nut. This particular thing is about, I think this is 6 millimeters into 1.5 pitch. So that's a threaded insert that you see into this steel cap, and it's a simple fix to something that can be causing a lot of issues later when you want to remove and reinsert your exhaust pipe, if in case you go in for some kind of a modification. Otherwise also it's a good idea to save this. So let's just fix the rusting issue first and then mount this on. Using my microfiber cloth to kind of clean the whole thing up. You should be careful about one thing: to not have this rust clean sit on your engine for long. Not a very healthy thing for your paint. Kind of dried now, so I can now go in with the cap and finish it up. We'll get back to you guys in a minute. Okay, so finally going in with my cap nut. Pretty easy, it's the same thread. All you need to do is just do that and give it a nice twist. The cap nut is a 13 size socket, so just that. The same on the other side. The other side is a bit tricky, so I'll just finish that up and then get back to you guys. Okay, so as you can see, finally managed to do both the bolts up. That's how they look for now. Lock nuts on both the sides, and these things will prevent these bolts from rusting, and that's super important, that you don't get them all rusted up, that they start cracking when you try and open this. So small bit will definitely go a long way if you guys can somehow manage to source these bolts or these nuts. Do so, and just a small little tiny contribution to again maintaining the motorcycle, keeping it in good nick. So if you guys like the video, continue watching videos on the channel, and kindly share these videos, and thank you so much for watching. We'll come up with another video very soon on maintenance related stuff. Until then, signing out for now. See you guys. Ciao.